Now I'm going to show you how you can customize the icons of any app. Let's say I was building a bit of a green theme on this page and I wanted to add some more green icons. First of all, we have to actually source our own icon pictures. So let's find a green YouTube. So I've got YouTube installed on this. So I'm going to open up my Safari browser and then simply type in green YouTube logo or icon, and then we'll just have a look at the images here until we have one that looks like the right shape for an app. There's one there. If I tap and hold and click add to photos, I've now got an icon that I can use for my app. To customize the pictures of your apps on your iPhone, you need to use Shortcuts, which is a iOS app, and if you don't know where that is, you can just swipe down or swipe to your search bar and type in Shortcuts, and it's this one right here. It should come pre-installed on your iPhone. If not, you can re-download it using the App Store, Shortcuts. And this will have a bunch of customized shortcuts. So we're going to make a shortcut in replacement of the app that we want. So to add a new shortcut, we go right here to the all shortcuts. This should be the page it lands on when you open the app. We're going to hit the plus button on the top right hand corner. This is going to create a new shortcut, and then select add action. From here we want to select the scripting, and then on this screen we want to simply select open app. So we're creating a script to open an app. Now we have to choose the app that's going to open when we click the shortcut. So we select choose right here, and then this is where we select what app it is that we're going to be making the shortcut to. So let's find YouTube, which is already installed on my phone. It has the app has to be installed, of course, and then from here we want to click next on the top right hand corner and name the shortcut. This is important because this is the name that will appear under the app. You can customize this and make it anything you like, and then click done. Okay, from there we now have the shortcut. We have to select an image for it and add it to our home screen. So we find where that shortcut is. It should be the newest one we've created right here, and click the three little dots. And on this screen we click the three little dots as well, and this is where we'll be adding it to the home screen. And when we select add to home screen, this is where we choose our picture. Right here it says home screen name and icon. Simply tap on that icon and then select choose photo. This will open your photo reel, and you'll see here these are all the icons that I have been downloading for my red theme that I made. And I'm going to tap on that green. Now you can resize it if you like. I might resize that a bit bigger so it doesn't have those white corners on it. And when you select choose, it'll show you what that looks like. I'm going to click add and done. Now when I tap my home screen to exit out of this, we should find that new green YouTube icon right there. And I'm going to tap and hold on that and move it all the way over to that other screen right here. So you can simply repeat that process for any other apps you want to set up, and then you can easily add new things by tapping and holding in an empty space, adding new widgets. There's a Google search widget there. I'll add a small one in, and you can remove them by hitting the minus there. So you can see you can quickly start to rearrange these and design your home screen just the way you want it. And you don't have to do this just for your home screen. You can do this for any of your app screens here. So you can go through and get a complete customized layout for your iPhone. So it's a lot easier to find what you want quickly and also get the aesthetic that you're looking for.
Hey.